Okay, folks, let's talk about Tesla prices. If you're like me, you've probably been wondering how much it would cost to own one of these electric marvels. Well, today, we're going to break down the price range of Tesla vehicles so you can make an informed decision about whether or not a Tesla is right for you. Now, before we dive into the numbers, let's take a step back and talk about why Tesla cars are so popular. For starters, they're incredibly stylish and futuristic looking. They also offer impressive performance, with some models capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. And of course, they're environmentally friendly, producing zero emissions. So, with all that in mind, let's take a look at the price range of Tesla vehicles. As of today, the cheapest Tesla model is the Model 3, which starts at around $38,990. The most expensive model is the Model S Plaid, which starts at around $113,630. Here's a breakdown of the current Tesla lineup and their starting prices. Model 3, $38,990. Model Y, $46,630. Model S, $76,630. Model X, $81,630. Cybertruck, $61,240, starting price for 2025. It's important to note that these are just the starting prices. The actual price you pay will depend on the options you choose, such as upgraded wheels, paint color, and self-driving features. For example, if you want a Model 3 with all the bells and whistles, you could easily end up paying over $60,000. Similarly, a Model S Plaid with all the options can cost well over $100,000. So, how do Tesla prices compare to other electric vehicles on the market? Well, Tesla cars are generally more expensive than their competitors. However, it's important to remember that Tesla vehicles offer a unique combination of performance, range, and technology that you won't find in many other EVs. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to buy a Tesla is a personal one. If you can afford it and you're looking for a cutting-edge electric car, then a Tesla might be the right choice for you. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are other more affordable options available. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to check back soon for more Tesla updates.